This is the Haven HE Penthouse Suite. This is a nice room. We always ask for pillow toppers and extra pillows. The bathroom is located next to the bed, and you have sockets for each side of the bed, and you're able to operate the lights and everything from that area next to the bed. You have a place for someone to sit and take care of their makeup. And next to the bed is a lamp. And in this area is where you can operate all of the lighting in the room from the bed. And you do have plugs. Plugs are kind of close, but you do have two sockets next to the bed on each side. Oh, that bed was soft and king size bed. Sockets on each side. I always bring my own plug to make sure I have additional plugs. And you can operate the shades. Got drawers underneath. So there's plenty of space to actually store your clothes. And even though it's always recommended that the first thing that you do once you get on the ship and you get to your room, you get settled, is to unpack everything. No, we didn't do that on this day. We still had our suitcases to unpack. Or I had my suitcases to unpack. My wife really unpacked most of her stuff. You can operate the shade on those mornings when you're out there and you don't want to get up early and your sun is on your side. You keep that down so that the light is blocked. But again, it's something that you can operate from the bed. So as you can see, there's plenty of space in this room. One of the curious things that I really thought this room was more spacious than the room on the Prima, but the Aqua and the Prima square footage for the penthouse, the AT Suite, is the same. Now look at the water. The butler on every day. You also have a place to make the coffee. Now they give you a bottle of wine. And the butler, after every shore excursion or stop, those little candies in the dish on the table there is something that they left. Now, a comparison between the Prima and the refrigerator, water inside the refrigerator. If you use those bottles of water in the refrigerator, there's a cost. What we normally do is we always purchase water, like the water on top of the counter there. That's something that we purchase. You're outfitted with what you need to make your coffee in the morning, utensils if you decide to have breakfast, get room service, and more space at the bottom. Space between the cabinet and the wall, and then you get the sandals or the slippers, Haven slippers, and you get a Haven coat or nightgown. One for her and one for him. The only problem with the Haven slippers is they were built for a person with a very small foot. And we had to, that's what the room was set up for. We had to get other ones delivered to the room. I was saying they're too small. You also have a safe in the closet. So you got plenty of space to put your clothes, your shoes, to unpack, storage in the closet, by the door, plenty of space. Now, a key to me for this Haven Suite was the bathroom. I really do like the way the bathrooms are set up and how they're clean. Where there's on the front of the floor, right next to the door, there's a little spot a little flap that comes up where my foot just tapped. And how the Haven steward cleans the room is they put water all over that room, and then they squeegee everything down into that spot when they lift up that little where my foot was. And there's another spot that's in the shower where they are able to lift up and squeegee all of the water out. So they do a good job of cleaning these rooms twice a day. And the shower is nice. They outfit it with conditioner, body wash, and shampoo. And you have an overhead shower. You have a clothes hanger that's in there. And you have a wand that you can use to wash your body and place for your own toiletry items. And you can actually sit down and take your shower. So it's pretty nice. This is a nice setup. And as you switch around to the bathroom, the toilet area can be closed off. Pretty nice. I just remember when we were on the Prima, that door for the toilet area, we had some rocky times and that door would not lock in place. So it kept, every time we went to one side, the pitch and yaw back and forth, the door would bang. And also the door to the bathroom had a stopper that was used to keep the door open. But with the newer ship, the Aqua, I guess the door hinges, they lock in place. So that's one improvement. Those door hinges lock in place. They did not lock in place on the Prima. They had to have a door stop. So that's an improvement over the previous room. Nice room. Container for champagne. I guess one of the things that I want to mention here is the dish on the table, a difference between Prima and Aqua. Every day, the Prima, they would bring food to us and drop it off in those trays. But on the Aqua, it was little snacks like crackers and candy and sweet items. I guess the economy is actually taking its toll, or inflation is taking its toll. And instead of them giving you food in those little dishes, like little snacks, little sandwiches, fruit, they give you little candies. And then stepping outside onto the balcony, you have two large chairs, or those chairs can recline, and a table. And my wife is just enjoying herself, resting and relaxing. The reason why you cruise. The 8th deck is down at the bottom. Hey, thank you for watching. Something that I forgot to do is, if there was anything that was said that is beneficial to you, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.